might be in a situation where for some reason your PlayStation controller is just not working with your iPhone. Now this can happen for a few different reasons. Now the very first thing I'd recommend doing is making sure your controller was first synced up and properly connected to your iPhone in the first place. So by doing this, what you want to do is you want to make your way over to your settings application here on your iPhone. You know, scroll down to Bluetooth right here, and you just want to make sure that your specific controller comes up in this specific panel. Because if it doesn't, then that is pretty much going to be the main reason why this is not working for you. So just go ahead and go through and make sure this is properly connected, and that will probably end up fixing the situation for a majority of people out there. Now let's say that doesn't end up being the issue. Let's say you are properly connected to that internet connection. Now what you can do here is straight up from at this panel, what you can do is go ahead and make sure your controller is fully charged up. There can be some times where maybe the controller is dead or maybe it's about to die and you don't even realize it. So plug it into a power outlet, make sure that's working. You may also want to make sure that your controller isn't connected to another device at the same time while it's connected to your iPhone. So make sure it's not accidentally connected to your actual PS5 console or your PS4 console, whatever you're using. You also want to make sure it's not connected to your actual PC if you're connecting it there. Those are some of the immediate things I would recommend kind of avoiding. Now, on top of that, another thing I'd recommend checking out is making sure that your controller and the game that you're playing the controller on, is compatible. There can be some times where the game that you're playing isn't even compatible with the controller. So just go through, either look up online or just go through that specific controller settings of that specific game, and make sure your controller works. There are many games on an iPhone that do not work with a controller, so definitely keep that in mind as well. You can also try restarting your phone, repairing your controller to your iPhone, and probably updating your iPhone too. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.